Welcome to Bexley Maths Test 5. Here we go. We are going from question 18 onwards. Step 1, turn the mic all the way up so you can hear me clearly. I will now step back. Question 18. Below are some instruction on how to mix different paint colors. Already this question looks very scary. There's just so many words for a way to get the answer. To make 1 litre of orange paint, we need to mix red to yellow in the ratio 3:2. So this ratio bit, I've taught my students, if I'm one of your students, you need to set up a table now. So let's put that here. Red, yellow, and the final column is orange. It is total 3 to 5. Let's put that here. Now put it next door. So why am I writing it like this? Because it's a ratio. Step 1, we draw a table. Orange. But look ahead, guys, look ahead. It says 1 litre. So this is the fake total. That 5 doesn't mean anything at the moment. I know I've just told you 3 plus 2 equals 5. Fake total. Put underneath 1 litre, which is the real total. But look ahead to our answers. They are all in milliliters. So we must change it. This will be the real total. So how do we go from 5 to 1,000? That's what maths is. All about going from one number to another. You times by 200. Do the same thing here and there. We get 600 and 400. Put both underneath. Good. Squeeze it in there. Okay. That red arrow means times by 200. Put it here. Okay, next bit. To make 1 litre of purple paint, we need to mix blue to red in the ratio 1 to 3. Blue, red, purple. Squeeze that on the page, there. 1 to 3. So first step, every ratio question, add up the sections. We have 4. That's the fake total. Put that underneath. The real total is the same thing. 1,000 milliliters. And maths is all about how you go from one number to another. Well, in this case, how we go from 4 to 1,000. We times by 250. Do the same thing here and there. So 250, 750. Fine. 250 to 750. Fine. That's timesing by 250, yes. Alright, and now we can answer the question. What's the difference between the volumes of red paint in 1 litre of orange and 1 litre of purple? Already that sounds really wordy to me, but it's just about okay. The difference in the red paint, so what have we just worked out? Red paint for this bit was 600. The red paint for this bit was 750. We are after the difference. So we subtract and we have it. 750 minus 600 equals 150. Done. So C is the answer. Question 19. This already looks quite scary, but the important thing is it is a multiple choice question. I was quite angry looking at the mark scheme because the way they solved it was using a secondary school method. That is not useful here because the students are still in primary school. The way they've explained it in the mark scheme is not the best. Here we go. Let me show you a better way. The formula for calculating the area of a trapezium is this. Already that looks scary. You guys might be thinking, William has never taught me this. Why on earth is this in a maths paper? But they give you a formula. Then we need to apply it because they've given us different numbers and then we're still okay. A and B are parallel sides. All right, that bit you need to get right. 2 parallel sides. That means the sides are going the same direction. It is not this bit. because there's no other side which is going down. It is going across and across. That is what they are telling us straight away. Those are the two parallel sides. Parallel means going in the same direction. Write it with me if this is new. Going the same direction. The trapezium has an area of 120. Fine. Not drawn to scale. That just means don't waste your time using your ruler to measure it. That won't help you. What's the value of x? The method is we do it using trial and error. We go in order and hopefully one of them will work. Let's try 8. Okay, well, what are we saying? X is 8. Okay, well, so what? This bit is 8. So is this bit. So is this bit. So this bit, 2x, means 2 times 8 equals 16. So what is William saying? Should I copy this just in case I mess up? Yes. I'll copy it twice. Yeah, why not? Just in case I mess up twice. Just about fits there. Yeah. I'm saying 8 on top because this bit is 8, 8, and this is 2 times 8, which is 16. So the whole thing, 16 plus 8 is 32. Okay, well, so what? Now we go for the top bit. That's your formula. So we just put in the numbers, we are okay. A and B are just the top and the bottom because they've told us it is parallel. They are the parallel sides, A plus B. Put it, 8 plus 32. Divide by 2 and then times by the vertical height, which is the number they have given us. At least they're being nice in that respect. Times by 3, so just work out, don't be lazy. I'll give you 5 seconds, work out. Eight plus 32 is 40. Divide by 2 is 20. Times by 3 is 60. This is not the answer, guys, because we want 120. So what, we just keep checking each one and then we're done? No, I bet this is the hidden clue set by the examiner. We've tried 8. It is 60. But look, we want 120. So it kind of sounds like we just double. And that is exactly what we do. 8 times 2 equals 16. E is the answer. That's the shortcut. Even though it's such a tough question, I bet that was the hidden clue the examiner wanted you to spot. I'm just going to show it fully. If we put 16 here, 16 up top, 16 here, this bit, 2 times 16, 32. Add it all up. That is 64. Yeah. Plus 16 is 80. I'm just going to put it just like this into here. Just going to write it fully. (16 plus 64). Divide by 2 because that's what the formula tells us. You can see the divide 2 sign underneath. And then you times by 3, which is the number that came with the question. That's the vertical height. Okay. So what? Well, now we have it. Work out this green bit. 16 plus 64 is 80. Divide by 2 is 40. And then you times by 3, which is 120. So that's the skill. Because of that, it is possible to get this question correct in under 1 minute. Or else you're just wasting your time checking each option. No way. What a waste of time. Except it isn't. So 16 is the answer. So we're 9 minutes in. It's just 2 really long questions. Let's just keep this video short. It's fine. I'll make another one. Right. My normal way to end these videos. Here. Top left corner will be the previous video, which I think is questions. Who knows? 15, 16, 17. And then when I'm ready, the next one will be in the bottom left corner. Keep watching Bexley Maths Test 5. Keep learning from these difficult questions. I'll see you later.